Buildathon under the topic of Vocal for Local. And this presentation is presented by Team BioMarvels, which contains the following team members. Our topic is Smart Agriculture Initiatives and the subtitle is Empowering Farmers Through Technology. What is Smart Agriculture? Smart agriculture means using of advanced technologies like sensors, drones and AI for making the agriculture more efficient. Why it is important? It is important because it improves efficiency, reduces waste and saves resources like water and fertilizers. Challenges faced in traditional agriculture are low efficiency, means we put more effort but it came with less output. Resource overuse, means using of excess amount of resources like fertilizer and water. Climate vulnerability refers that the crops are affected by the unstable weather and climate changes. Limited data insights, means farmers lack useful information. Scalability issues, means limited reach to the farmers. The solutions are climate and weather challenges, resource wastage, limited market access, labor shortage and lack of timely information. Key technologies driving smart agriculture are sensors that can monitor soil from the above, drones that can monitor soil from the above, AI that can predict weather and pest attacks, and GPS that can guide tractor precision. Key technologies in smart agriculture are Internet of Things, artificial intelligence and machine learning, drones and remote sensing, GPS and precision farming, and robotics and automation. Benefits of smart agriculture are increased crop yield and quality, efficient use of water and fertilizer, real-time monitoring and data analysis, reduces labor and operational costs, and environmental sustainability. So in conclusion, we can say that smart agriculture boosts productivity, gives us more opportunity and it is the future for the new